Welcome guys, I'm on the road to 100 subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe guys. But today we'll be meal prepping some fruit. I have blackberries, strawberries, and I have raspberries. I also have some oranges, but I didn't feel like peeling and cutting those, so this is I just did the strawberries, the blackberries, and the raspberries. But what I did, I just cut off that little green part of the strawberry, then cut it into bite-sized pieces. I left my raspberries the same size, and then my blackberries, I just cut those in half. But some of this fruit will be going to my overnight oats that I'll be meal prepping. The video on that should be up if you'd like to find it. I'll link it in the subscription in the... Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, so I'm also cutting up my fruit for that as well. But yeah, I'm just cutting right now. Strawberries are good for brightening, reducing black marks and dark marks. They're also good for wrinkles. If you like to know any strawberry benefits, if you guys would like to know more about strawberries and the benefits for your skin, just let me know down in the comments and I'll make a little video on that. Blackberries reduce inflammation, and they also help with the UV rays of the sun. Blackberries also help produce collagen. They help a lot with collagen production. Raspberries help reduce the appearance of sun damage, wrinkles. They help with age spots. These are just some things that these fruits help with when it comes to skin. Like I said, if you'd like me to make another video on any of these fruits or just on fruits in general that can help with certain things pertaining to skin, I will be very happy to do that for you guys. Just leave your comments down below. Subscribe, like, and comment for me, please, guys. We're on a road to 100 subscribers. But yeah, at this point, I'm just packaging it into my little meal prep containers. Like I said, I am using some of these for my overnight oats, so I just put those to the side. I then took a lemon. I cut my lemon in half, and I squeezed lemon juice all over the fruit. I don't know, it just makes it taste better to me. I closed that up and I put it in the refrigerator for the next couple of days. But guys, this is how I meal prep my fruit. Don't forget to wash your fruit before you start, okay? But this is it. Y'all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.